Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Jordan 1 Vibrations of Naija, or the OG Craft as some decided to call it. Now this sneaker in my opinion does pay homage to Nigeria based off the colors, the textures used. It pays homage to the irukere, which is used in Nigeria culture. Now I'll kind of put up what the irukere is on the screen so you guys can read it and what the irukere actually is. Packaging wise, the sneaker does come in this yellowish and clean box to match the colors of the sneaker. And as of late, I think Jordan Brand has been doing this thing where they match the sneakers with the boxes, at least for most of the releases this year in my opinion. Just in terms of materials, I think this sneaker is super slept on just based off materials alone. I know some people might have mixed feelings about the swoosh and the color. That material might not be everyone's favorite, but based off what the sneaker pays homage to, which is the irukere, I think the sneaker was executed well in my opinion. The sneaker does come with an extra set of laces in this cardboard box, different from the plastic we're used to. I feel like this is what Jordan Brand is going to use more often now. So to get into the sneaker, in terms of design choices, the sneaker heavily reflects the patterns of an irukere, from the colors to the choice of materials, even the texture on the swoosh and the collar. I'm still kind of confused as to why Nike and Jordan Brand decided to not name these the Vibrations of Naija and instead went with the OG Craft, because I feel like the sneaker does represent the irukere and that aspect of Nigeria, so going with that storytelling would have made the sneaker more popular, but they decided to scrap that and just go with the Jordan 1 High Craft. I feel like that was just a cop-out on Nike and Jordan Brand's part, because I do feel like this sneaker deserved the more storytelling. It's a good sneaker, the quality is amazing, I like the different materials, and I just feel like a storytelling could have made this sneaker more popular. Now I might be in the minority, but I do think this sneaker is a very solid sneaker. In terms of comfort, the color blocking, I can't recommend these enough. Now I'm not going to ramble on too much longer. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and throw these on feet. And until next time, happy Friday. Peace.